Good afternoon. This is International English Language Testing System powered by IDB. This is examiner Kamal Rana and I am here to connect the speaking of candidate number 111557. This is examiner Kamal. How may I call you?
So my name is Taranjot Singh.
Which is your full name?
Yes sir.
Okay, does your name have any special or specific meaning?
No sir, I don't know any special meaning of my name, but all my friends told me that my name is unique because there is no another person of this name in my friend circle and in my friend circle of my relatives and family members.
Okay Taranjot, now I'm going to ask you some questions about yourself and hometown. What do you do for living?
So, well, I am studying and my father is a farmer. He rely on agriculture for our living.
Okay, where do you live now?
So I live in a village called Sandari Majra in Punjab.
Do you like the weather of your hometown?
Yes sir, I like the weather of my hometown the most.
Why explain?
So the weather in my hometown is pleasant. Here in my hometown we can
Do you like
feel all the weather.
Do you like any particular part of your hometown?
Yes sir, I like the fields of my hometown because there is greenery and fresh air in my fields of the hometown.
Okay, what is the one thing you would like to improve at your hometown and why?
So I want to improve the road transport of my hometown and the road systems because all the roads are broken and there is no specific public transport which connects my hometown with the city. So if I get a chance, I will try to improve the conditions of the road and will connect my hometown with city via public bus services.
Now I'd like to ask some question about cooking and food. What do you think about cooking? Do you like it or not? If yes, then why?
So cooking is an ability which needs time and practice and I like cooking. I like to cook some dishes, for example rice, and I also make Maggi when I feel hungry and there is nothing to eat in my home.
Do you think men are good at cooking than women?
No sir, actually women are perfect at cooking. They know every taste and they have the experience of cooking than men, but in many hotels men are also appointed as chef because they also have experience in cooking and they are more careful than women while cooking.
Why do you think cooking is an important skill these days than past?
So cooking is a very important skill these days because nowadays everyone is working and we are living away from our families, so there is no one, our family member, who can cook food for us and we have to cook our food by ourselves to eat.
Is there any skill related to cooking you would like to learn in the future?
No sir, I don't like to learn any skill related to cooking. I want to pursue my education in the future.
Okay, why do you think it is easy for people to learn about cooking skills and recipes these days than past?
Sir, nowadays people can learn about cooking from the internet and but in the past there were no several facilities available for the people to learn cooking and nowadays many books are also published on cooking.
Do you think Indian style of cooking and other styles of cooking are different?
Yes sir, there is many difference between Indian style and other style of cooking. In India our foods are well cooked, but in foreign cultures they are roughly cooked for 10 to 15 minutes and sometimes they are not fully cooked and served as it is.
Okay. Do you live in the house or apartment?
I live in a house in my village. It is made by my father with his earning.
Okay, what do you think? You would like to buy any house in the future? Yes or no?
Yes, I would like to buy a house in future because I want to study in abroad. So I have to buy a house to live there.
Okay, do you think nowadays most of the people live in houses or apartments?
Nowadays people live in apartments due to the facilities offered by apartments, and nowadays our living standard has also increased, and due to the inflation and the prices of houses are very high, so people prefer to live in rental apartments.
Okay, that's all for the first part. Now it's time to discuss cue card section. This is your second part. In this section you will be given one cue card topic and you will have on 1 minute for notes and preparation. If you want to make some notes, we have prepared paper on the table. This is your cue card. Describing your activity you did at school, and your time starts now.
Can I start without
Yes,
any?
start.
Sir, without any preparation I want to start it.
Okay, you have 1 minute.
Can I start now?
Okay, start.
I have prepared in many school functions and annual functions in my school. There I have participated in many art activities. Today I am going to talk about a art activity which I have participated in my school. There was a competition held on the district level, and me and one of my friends were representing our school in that art activity. It was relating to its topic was relating to the increasing globalization and global pollutions. Me and my friend draw some things indicating the increasing effects of global pollution. We draw in vehicles and highlighted the smoke releasing from the vehicles. We also draw some man cutting the trees and highlighted it. We also draw some air conditioner and outlined the gas which was released from that air conditioners. After completing my painting, I named the painting and the title was written in the bold letters. It was about the increasing global pollutions. After all, I explained it and fully defined my picture by labeling all the picture. Fully defined my art and craft activity by labeling all the pictures which I had drawn. I was very interesting to see that I have drawn a very good picture in very less time, and because of my friend and my collective efforts, we got a second prize in that school activity.
Okay, let's talk about last part, that is follow-up discussion. In this section, I'm going to ask some questions about art and school activities. Do you think nowadays art and school activities are less popular than past in schools or colleges?
No sir, nowadays art activities are more popular in schools due to the influence of the modern technology such as internet. People are trying to learn more about the art and craft by using simple skills with the help of internet.
What is the future of art and craft activities in your country?
In future, most the art and craft activities will be available in simple technique to learn on the internet, and they have a bright future in my country, as in my country many people are fond of these art and craft activities.
Okay, what kind of extracurricular activities do schools offer in your country for students?
In my country, schools offer the extracurricular activities such as sports competition and art and craft competitions. They also organize some exhibitions, and they also call some trainers to train the students about meditation skills such as yoga.
Do you think they need to be improved?
Yes, the school's activities need to be improved. They have to focus more on the physical skills of the student instead of the academic skills.
Okay, why do you think it's important for children to take participate in extracurricular activities?
It is important for children to take participate in the extra activities because they are good for their health. They keep them mentally and healthy fit. Children also learn many social values with the help of these activities.
Is learning performing arts or drama encouraged among children in your country?
Yes, these encourage among children because children get inspiration from the characters of these dramas, and they also take them as their idols and do things to become like them.
Okay, have school activities or college activities improved any skills within you?
Yes, I have improved a lot of my activities. Firstly, I don't know to draw well, but when I started take some drawing classes at my schools which were offered by our teachers in the extra time, and my drawing skills are very much improved.
Okay, do you think children must be encouraged to learn drama and other art forms like painting and dancing in schools or colleges?
Yes, children should be encouraged to learn painting and dancing because they are very good abilities which can take us to the extent, flourish our future and take us to the great extents in our future if we do well in these areas.
Is it important or easy to learn about new things or art and craft activities for people these days?
Nowadays it is very important and easy to learn people about the new activities with the help of internet and other mobile apps. People can just learn about these apps while sitting at their homes in a very simple way.
Okay. Do you think children should be encouraged by parents and teachers to take participate in extracurricular activities from their early age?
Parents should encourage their children to take participate in extra activities from their early age because with the help of this their physical development will be very good and they will know about many social values in their early age, and it will be very beneficial for them when they are adults.
Okay. What kind of art and craft activity you would like to participate in the future and why?
I would like to take participate in a painting competition because painting is my favorite activity and it is like my hobby. When I am stressed, I like to do paintings because I find that it is very relieveful and I gain confidence by doing painting.
Okay, that's all for the third part and to the speaking test. You can leave now. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.